Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the Sierra blue colour. Yeah, so this is my annual upgrade from my network, as you can see. It is a little bit later than the release just because the 12 Pro Max came out in November time, so it had to be a year until I could upgrade, and then there was a bit of a delay on this one, so I do only just have this on the 7th of December. But moving on, it's time to unbox the phone. On the front we are presented with a picture of the device, the back of it. It just says iPhone around the box. This does only come with the USB-C to Lightning charging cable and not the brick like the previous model. And you don't get any earphones either. So it says iPhone 13 Pro Max. It comes with the phone, USB-C to Lightning cable, power adapter and headphones are sold separately, just like I mentioned. And then this year, instead of it being cellophane wrapped, I think to be a bit more environmentally friendly, you've got to pull the tabs. There isn't any cellophane on there. So let's just pull the tabs. So now it's time to unbox the phone. And there we are presented with this really lovely Sierra blue colour. I did kind of want the graphite this year, however there was an even further delay on that colour, so I thought I might as well just get this because it is a really nice blue. Kind of reminds me of like an elephant blue. It's a cross between a grey and a blue. So let's take that out of there and have a further look. It does look really nice, and it's got kind of like an icy silvery blue on the sort of chamfered edges there. And it just has this white paper on the front that you just take off. It just shows you sort of where the buttons are. So that's a ring, and then the volume, and then the on-off. I've got quite a lot of fingerprints over this already. I think it's quite cold from transit. Let's take the paper off the front. Always satisfying to do that. I'm just going to compare the colour. Now this is last year's iPhone 12 Pro Max in the colour gold, and then this is this year's 13 Pro Max in the Sierra blue. You can see that the camera module is larger on the 13. It's definitely bigger. So yeah, I just fancied switching up the colour this year. I do like the gold still, but this blue is quite unique. I also did get the official Apple silicone case this time. I do usually go with the leather ones, but this time I went for the silicone because I found that the leather ones usually rip. So I'm hoping that this one doesn't rip. It's just got the embossed Apple logo there, if you can see. Let's see how well that fits in. Yeah, really snug. And then it looks nice because there's just a contrast between the blue and the black. I do like that. So yeah, this is going to be my phone for probably the next year. Almost forgot to take a look what else is inside the box, so let's just have a look. So as mentioned, you do get the USB-C to Lightning. If you don't already have a brick to plug in, you can buy one separately from Apple, or there's lots of third-party ones you can get on Amazon like Anchor or things like that for fast charging. And then we get our Designed by Apple in California booklet with a SIM eject tool. Some little usage guides as well, and then just a singular Apple sticker this time around. So that is more or less everything for this unboxing. It was just a quick take it out of the box and have a little look. Do you want any further videos on this device or have any questions, please just pop it down in the comments box and I will respond to that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked the unboxing, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one.